The 2026 Mercedes Maybach is not just a car, it is the definition of rolling prestige, a machine designed to redefine what luxury means in the modern era. For over a century, Mercedes-Benz has crafted vehicles that symbolize elegance, power, and refinement, but the Maybach badge takes this philosophy to an entirely new level. In 2026, the Maybach is not merely a limousine for the wealthy, it is a statement of ultimate status, a mobile sanctuary where cutting-edge technology and handcrafted artistry fuse seamlessly to create something truly extraordinary. Every inch of this flagship vehicle whispers power, success, and timeless taste. From the outside, the 2026 Maybach immediately captures attention with its sheer presence. The body is long, sweeping, and impeccably sculpted to project authority without needing exaggeration. The two-tone paint finish, a signature of the Maybach line, glistens like a piece of jewelry under the sunlight. The front grille, bold and unapologetically massive, is designed with precision vertical chrome bars that shine like a crown, while the LED digital headlights resemble diamonds set in motion. The long wheelbase ensures an aura of dominance, while the smooth flowing lines reflect aerodynamic efficiency wrapped in sophistication. Even the wheels, massive chrome-finished alloys with intricate detailing, feel more like art pieces than functional parts of a car. Step back, and the silhouette of the 2026 Maybach looks less like a car and more like a modern sculpture carved to perfection. Inside, the story continues with a cabin designed to cocoon its occupants in unrivaled opulence. The Maybach is a world within itself, where leather, wood, and metal come together in a symphony of craftsmanship. Every seat is more like a private throne than a mere chair, upholstered in the highest grade Napa leather and stitched by hand with patterns that echo bespoke fashion. The rear seats recline like those in a private jet, complete with massage functions, heating, cooling, and even personal entertainment screens that respond to touch and gesture. Ambient lighting flows gently around the cabin with customizable colors, creating moods that range from calm relaxation to vibrant energy. The panoramic roof lets in natural light by day and can transform into a starlit ceiling by night, giving passengers the feeling of being in a moving five-star lounge. Technology inside the 2026 Maybach does not shout, it works silently in the background to ensure comfort, safety, and convenience. The latest iteration of the MBUX system is more intelligent than ever, using artificial intelligence to predict needs, adjust preferences, and provide seamless control over everything from navigation to entertainment. Voice commands feel like conversations with a personal assistant, while augmented reality heads-up displays project-critical information directly into the driver's line of sight. The sound system, engineered by Burmester, transforms the cabin into a concert hall, with speakers hidden within wood and leather surfaces, producing audio so rich that it feels alive. In the Maybach, every sense is catered to with extreme precision. Underneath all this luxury lies performance that ensures the Maybach remains not only a showpiece but also a powerhouse on the road. The 2026 model introduces hybrid and fully electric powertrain options, ensuring that it aligns with the future of sustainable mobility while never compromising on strength. The hybrid combines a silky V8 engine with electric motors for instant torque and seamless acceleration, while the fully electric version delivers whisper-quiet motion with monumental range and efficiency. Regardless of the choice, the Maybach glides across roads with the grace of a cloud yet carries the strength of a hidden beast ready to surge forward at a moment's notice. Adaptive suspension ensures that bumps and imperfections vanish before they are even felt, and advanced driver assist features make every journey safer and smoother. The Maybach is not just about transportation, it is about making an entrance, creating a presence, and living in unmatched luxury. For business leaders, celebrities, royals, and those who measure success not just in wealth but in the refinement of their lifestyle, this car becomes the ultimate extension of personal identity. It is more than a vehicle, it is a sanctuary on wheels where one can retreat from the world, conduct business in peace, or simply relax while being chauffeured in supreme comfort. Mercedes has also ensured that the 2026 Maybach reflects the needs of a new generation of luxury customers who expect not only craftsmanship but also sustainability and innovation. Recyclable materials, sustainable sourcing of leather alternatives, and energy-efficient systems ensure that the Maybach respects the environment without sacrificing its heritage of excess. The integration of advanced connectivity also makes it a mobile hub, Capable of syncing effortlessly with digital lifestyles and offering smart controls that keep owners in touch with everything that matters, no matter where the road takes them. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach is not just another luxury car, it is the pinnacle of what modern automotive engineering and design can achieve. It blends the timeless elegance of classic luxury with the futuristic vision of innovation and responsibility. Driving it, or even being driven in it, is not an ordinary experience, it is a performance, a statement, and a privilege. Every glance at its exterior, every touch of its finely crafted interior, and every moment on the road reaffirms why Maybach remains in a league of its own. For those who can afford it, the Maybach is more than a purchase, it is an investment into a lifestyle of prestige and comfort that few can ever truly experience.